What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what should you do as a retail investors in order to make your own due diligence and to make your own conclusion regarding this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, and I've told you that we don't have any fundamental news that might push the price of this asset higher. And the only trend that this asset has right now is a downtrend. And let me show you that if I switch to daily time frame, you can see that the price action is quite ridiculous. This company has two reverse stock splits that happened at the end of May and at the end of August. And despite this, the price is still below $1 threshold. And this means this company still might be delisted from the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. And I think we are approaching to the third reverse stock split that will happen during 1 year period, and it is ridiculous. And let me show you what should you know about the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you quite positive sign. Right here we are on the importgenius.com and we have 3 new shippings of lithium-ion battery systems. And I have to say that they are trying to make even more smoke and mirrors in order to push the price higher. But let me show you this. If you take a look right here you will see that this company was founded on April the 20th, 2010. So it operates more than 13 years. And let me show you right here. If you take a look on their financials, you can see that they received first revenue of $308,000 in Q3 of 2023. And it is ridiculous that for 13 years they didn't sell any vehicles at all. And despite this fact, they have the total operating expenses for trailing 12 months period at the range of more than $230 million. And I have to say that as far as I remember, they had about $280 million back in July of 2023. And I think they are experiencing some problems with their cash flow and with their cash position, because they have to pay for these shipments, they have to pay to the Chinese manufacturers. And definitely they have to dilute existing shareholders even more to stay afloat. And let me show you a quite interesting detail that probably you already forgotten, that David Misery alone received for the last 4 years more than $155.5 million. And how it is even possible if this company is unprofitable? It has huge operating expenses of $230 million, and its total market cap for now is less than $80 million. It doesn't make sense. But definitely this company has a lot of support from retail community, and it was a meme stock back in the days, and I've made a lot of videos regarding this asset, and my main thesis is that this is a smoke and mirrors company and you shouldn't invest in it by any means. And I was right, and I'm still right because of this price action. It lost more than 99.9% of its value within just last 5 years. And let me show you some news that also might be quite interesting for you as a retail investors. MULN stock. MULN amends filing to show much lower sales forecast for Q4. And this news was made on November the 6th, and they lowered their expectations to deliver 450 MULN 3, and they stated that they want to deliver only 150 vehicles. But let me show you the latest report, the latest PR report. You can see that they stated that it's exciting to see both Class 1 and Class 3 vehicles production fully operational and our Class 3 heading to customers. We fully expect to accomplish our production and delivery goals for 2023, said David Misery, CEO and Chairman of Mullen Automotive. And as you can see, they intend to deliver 150 Class 3 and 300 Class 1 vehicles by the end of this year. And I have to say that they have almost 300 Class 1 vehicles, and it is a leftovers from the company that was acquired by Mullen Automotive just a couple of years ago. And that is why potentially they are trying to rebuild these vehicles with new batteries, because old batteries are dead, and that is why they are buying more and more batteries for these Class 1 vans. But guys, let me show you another quite interesting due diligence that you have to do by yourself. If you type in Google search bar Mullen Automotive delivered, you can see a lot of news, and let me show you just several of them. On March 31st, 2023, they stated this: Mullen Automotive makes deliveries short squeeze possible. And here you can see that the vans were delivered to MGT company in High Point, NC by partner Ready Mullen Automotive Group. The delivery is for Class 1 vans with follow-on orders expected. So it was delivered on March 31st. But take a look right here. And by the way, it is their official statement. Let me show you right here. If you again take a look on their financials, you will not find any sales in Q1 or Q2 2023. And this means this was a false news. And let me show you further. Here is the news that was published at the very beginning of May of this year. And it says, Mullen to deliver 1,000 electric trucks to Randy Mullen Automotive. And here we can see that Randy Mullen Automotive has ordered 1,000 electric trucks from Mullen Automotive. Deliveries are scheduled to begin as early as August. And out of 1,000 electric trucks, with the total deal worth of $63 million, they delivered only 22 vehicles, and the financial result is right here. They have a total revenue of $308,000. But all of these vehicles were delivered with the huge losses, because the cost of goods is much bigger than $308,000. And that is why they still have a lot of problems with their financials. On top of that, we have another news that was a smoke and mirrors. On July 17th, 2023, they stated, Mullen announces 30-unit purchase order for Mullen Go, commercial urban delivery vehicle from Newgate Motor Group in Ireland. And let me quote you this. The 30-unit order of the Mullen Go represents the first sale of vehicles for delivery outside the US and into the European market. The estimated value of the booked order is $321,000 and is expected to be reflected in Mullen's current fiscal quarter reporting. Mullen and Newgate have previously announced plans for up to 500 vehicles per year. And again, these sales wasn't reflected in their official statements, and this is another evidence that this company is nothing more than just smoke and mirrors. That is why, guys, do your own due diligence and make your own conclusion whether or not this asset is worth your attention, and whether or not you want to invest in this company with this consistent downtrend. And guys, if your main goal is to earn some money and to preserve your capital from the inflation, definitely you shouldn't rely on these type of companies with the expectation that potentially somewhere in the future they will deliver more vehicles, they will be successful, they will start to produce Mullen 5 new vehicle and even Mullen K50. They will not do it And the main thesis of this company is to dilute existing shareholders in favor of C-levels executive. And David Mishry is the main wrongdoer in this company. That is why just do your own due diligence and make your own conclusion. What should you do with your position? And what is the most appropriate way to invest your capital? So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life I'm